Hello guys, good evening everyone. My name is Gyanan from English with Village Vlog. So guys, today I am going to tell you one more sad story. So, why I make so many stories? So that I can tell you how to practice in English. So let's start guys. So there was a small village. In that village there was a small house, and in that house there was a boy named Subham who lived with his father. Subham was 10 years old. His mom passed away when he was 5 years old. So he used to live with his father. His father had a grocery shop. So he used to run that grocery shop. Seeing Subham crying, holding the pick of his mom, father got sad and he decided to get married. Because Subham was alone, he didn't have any friend. So he always remained sad. So Subham's father decided to get married. So one day he got married and he said to Subham, Subham, now from now onwards, she is your mom. Subham got happy that I got mom, so he started living with that woman. But the nature, the behavior of that woman was not good. She was cranky, she was pugnacious, and she was cruel too. When Subham's father was not at home, she made Subham do house chore work, clean the house, and wash the clothes. She tortured a lot Subham. Subham totally Subham was totally sad because his life became monotonous. That woman said to Subham, see, if you tell anything to your dad, I will kill you. So whenever your dad asks you, how are you? So you have to tell I am good. So never say that she makes me do lots of work. Otherwise I will kill you. So Subham was totally scared and he used to do lots of work when his father was not at home. One day Subham decided to leave his home and finally he got ready and he packed a small bag and he put his mom's pick in that bag and he left the house. He kept on walking for hours and hours and hours. Finally he reached at the railway station and he got on the train and that train started running fast. After 24 hours, one time when the train stopped, so Subham also got off the train and he was totally baffled because he didn't know where he was. He was hungry, he was sad. So he started looking at people. He was crying. So first he needed some food. So he went to a restaurant and he saw people eating food. But he didn't have money. So he stood near the restaurant and he kept on looking at people eating food. But people didn't pay attention on him, but he was craving for food. He was wishing for one piece of bread. By the grace of God, a rag picker, she was a girl, like a 15 years girl. She was a rag picker, came and she had a big bag. In that bag, she uh, had lots of bottles and like poly bag, because she was a rag picker. So she put her bag and she sat in the restaurant and she ordered some food and she started having. Shubham started looking at that girl, that rag picker, eating food. So that girl also looked at Shubham and she started scowling at Shubham and she said, "Hey, why are you looking at me? Haven't you seen any girl?" Then Shubham said to her, "Hey, I am so hungry, I don't have money. Could you please give me some food?" That girl said, "Hey, I'm not a I'm not a rich girl. I'm also a beggar. See, I have earned few money to eat food. How can I give you some food?" She said to Shubham, "Just bugger off, otherwise I will push you." Shubham didn't go from there and he kept on looking at the girl. After some time, that girl felt pity on Shubham and she gave some food to Shubham. Shubham got happy, he ate that food, and after that, that girl started going from there. Shubham also started going after her. Then that girl said to Shubham, "Hey, why are you coming after me? Just go from here. I have to collect lots of bottle to sell. Otherwise, what will I eat for dinner?" So she scolded Shubham a lot, but Shubham didn't listen to her. Again, Shubham started following her. Then that girl asked Shubham, "Hey, who are you and where do you live?" Then Shubham narrated all the thing. Then Shubham narrated whole story to her. Then she said, "Okay, uh, don't worry, we will do work and we will live together. I have a hut where we can live." Shubham agreed and they both like collected lots of bottle whole day, and after that in the evening they sold that garbage, and after that they got some money, and out of that money they bought some food and ate, and they started living their life like this. One day girl said, "Hey, today there is a big party in this area, so we will go and we will have food." She said, "Okay." Then they both went to that area and they found a luxurious party was going on. But the problem was they couldn't enter that party. So many people, they were having food, and after that they throw some food outside. So that thrown food, when they saw that thrown food, they ate that food. So it was the life of Shubham. They started living together and finally they grew up and they started loving each other, and finally they both got married and they started living their life. And here his father was crying. He left nothing undone to find Shubham, but he couldn't find Shubham. Finally, he got tired and he stopped searching Shubham. So it was a story of Shubham. So if you like this story, please comment me. I will make so many stories, and I'm going to tell you that, see, I never think anything before speaking a story. I just make a story at a time. So you can also do, you can also make fake story, but yes, you have to make practice. You have to speak every day, then you can do this. You do this, of course you will be able to speak English, guys. So just because of practice you can speak English. All the magic is hidden here. It doesn't matter whether you are taking classes, you are spending time, and you are doing this, that, doesn't matter, guys. Just speak, guys. Whenever you have time, speak and recall your all the structure, and of course your mind will work, your tongue will work. So thank you so much, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. Bye.